Welcome back again to the OZCO Building Products booth, the 2018 International Builder Show. If you've ever wondered how to use our products on a pergola, well, there's an app for that. And one of the developments that we have this year is our app in partnership with MyTech Builder Products, a fantastic software company as well as building products. What it offers is the ability to look at several different pergola designs, pavilions, and also backyard projects. As a building professional, I'm sure you know that it can take a lot of time and effort to build a quote for a customer. And nothing's worse than when you build a quote for a customer and at the end of it, it might be out of their price range, not exactly what they're looking for. This allows you to easily identify what the customer's style preference is, and as well as evaluate the material cost. You have a full bill of materials that takes the guesswork out of it and makes your job and life easier. Again, thanks for visiting us at the International Builder Show. OZCO Building Products with another building breakthrough.